Hi there. In this section, you are going to learn how to find the sum of geometric sequence. So let's begin. Sum of geometric sequence. Let a1, a2, a3 dash 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 an be the n terms of geometric sequence. Then the sum of first n terms Sn is given as Sn is equal to, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all these terms. So I will write a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus dash 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 plus ar to the power n minus 1, where a is my first term, this is ar is my second term, ar square is my third term, and then my last term is ar to the power n minus 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this equation by r, and if I do that, I will write r times Sn, which is r Sn, is equal to r times a is ar, which is over here, r times ar is ar square, which is over here, r times ar square is ar cube, which is over here. In the same way, our second last term is ar to the power n minus 1, and our last term is ar to the power n, and this is my equation 2. What I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1, and if I do that, all the terms will be cancelled out, only first and the last term will be left. So I will write Sn minus Rsn, which is over here, is equal to a minus ar to the power n, which is over here. As you can see, Sn is common on the left side and a is common on the right side. So I'm going to take that common, and if I do that, I will write Sn times 1 minus r is equal to a times 1 minus r to the power n. Now I need to find the value of Sn, so I'm going to divide both sides by 1 minus r, and if I do that, my final term will be Sn is equal to a times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r, and this is my sum of first n terms of any geometric sequence. Now let's consider about some cases that we can talk about this geometric sequence. Case 1, if r is equal to 1, then Sn equals to n times a. Case 2, if r is greater than 1, then Sn is equal to a times r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. If r is less than 1, then Sn equals to a times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. So basically we have three cases for the sum of geometric sequence.